Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here other than my cute little doggy. I have this. This is a pet nail grinding set, so hopefully it'll get rid of her big old claws that she's got. So I'll show you guys what this all looks like, and we'll see what we can do here, if we can open this up without dropping my dog. Oh, Penny, sit just right here. Good girl. Okay, so this is it here. It comes with this instructions. I'm just going to show you all real quick how it is. So this is the device right here. And there's where it goes. Okay, so let me just give this thing a little, just quick little try. It spins like that, and then her little toes are like that, and then she's not, it's gonna be so hard to do. Ooh, look at that. It does do it, wow. That's pretty cool. I don't know if you can see there. Let me see it this way. She doesn't even mind it. For my dog, that's pretty good because she minds everything. But how cool is that? So I'm just going to turn, oh, it's got 3 different speeds. Okay, and it's got the little lights on it and stuff. So that's kind of how you can do it to grind your little puppy's, dog's toenails down. So it's kind of a cool device. I'm going to put her down and we'll go through all the different pieces and parts here. So we've got the part here. So there's the grinding disc is in there. And then it kind of clips on there. It looks like it comes with an extra grinding disc here. It comes with a little brush to clean it off, I guess, if you get too much goop. And then it comes with the charging cable to charge from USB to USB-C. So we've got everything we need, and then just the little cover here to kind of keep it nice and organized. Very cool. Nice. And it seems to work. It grounded her little toes, and she didn't even mind it, and she hates everything. So that's actually pretty cool. I like this. Thumbs up for sure. It's, let's see. Actually, let me see what it had here. Important information. It's, yeah, basically just the registration card for it. And then here was the quick start guide. So if you need it, you can probably pause it and zoom in, but you get the idea of how we did it. So pretty cool. Awesome, thumbs up.